Hello and welcome to the demo of the DCP Lead Generator. This is the backend of the software, or softwares I should say. There's quite a number of capabilities that you can currently do on our software, and I'm just going to go through a high-level overview of the software so you will know what to expect. So let's start with enrichment. So basically we have here find B2B contact. So let's focus on B2B. With B2B, you can pretty much paste companies. So in terms of their website, okay, so you just put .com, yourcompany.com, whatever, and you just upload it. You give a name to your list. I'm just gonna call it test. You can get the maximum contacts. You can get 5 contacts, 10 contacts. You can. This is my favorite one though. I like to get by job title. So I'm gonna contact CEOs, CMOs, partners, founders. You can practically get anything you want here, and then pretty much click on upload my list, and you get yeah, the contacts found here. So here I have 1,120 contacts. Here I have 9,600, and then you can either download them, okay, via Excel, or you can transfer them to a campaign that I'll get into. So that's B2B. Now, for some of you might say, where am I going to get all these companies? Do I have to look for them one by one? And the answer is no. We have access to 15 million plus B2B companies. So let's say you're going to go for United States, for example. So you click on that. Let's say you're targeting IT companies, so information technologies, boom. You are targeting mid-sized companies, so let's say 201 to 500, and basically this comes up, right? So it's loading, and you get like IT companies in the United States. In this company size, you have 1,287. You click on prepare download, and when you do, you can download it as a CSV or an XLS or an XLSX, which is great. You could use one person, 1 to 10 people. Look at this, 32,000, 34,701. So the sky's the limit here. You can search companies by country, industry, and size. Okay. Now let's say you're not looking for B2B companies, you're looking for B2C. So let's say I'm looking for a pool contractor in the United Kingdom, for example. Yeah, I'm looking for pool contractors in, let's see here. Let's see what I can find. Let's say Scotland. Okay, I'm looking for, and in the city, whatever, in let's see, in Glasgow. Okay, I'm looking for pool contractors in Scotland and Glasgow. Might be a bit ridiculous because maybe they don't have so many pools there, but whatever, let's see what we find. And then you create a list. Let's say I created a list called pool contractor. In this case, it will be Scotland. But yeah, so let's say it starts searching, and there you go. You do have there you go. You have all these companies, and you can either choose one by one to check out their phone and their email. But what you could do is you could click on launch automation and save each local business one by one, and it goes through all these pages here, which has like 10 to 20 listings each, and just goes one by one and adds them to your list. Okay, so when you go to your list, so for example, let's say you go here and you get your list, you can just save them into your list, and then you have, for example, you found 3,652 prospects, you have 1,084 emails, you have 3,484 phone numbers, and 2,115 websites. That's a lot of data, okay, if you're up for it. So you could definitely do that. And then, should you want to find domains from a list of company names, for example, Amazon will give you Amazon.com. So let's say you have a list of company names, but you don't know the domains. So all you have to do is just paste it here, and you convert. Okay. You always have to give a name to your list. So in this case, it's test. So here you give it some chance to run. Okay, you could do this here. So there's a lot of capabilities. If you mess around with the software, you'll pretty much get accustomed to it. There is a bit of a learning curve, but you'll get there. You have other prospecting tools. You can use LinkedIn to extract emails, and it's that simple. You install an extension. You go on LinkedIn. This works on LinkedIn Premium and Sales Navigator, by the way. And you could go on LinkedIn and start a search of your potential prospects, and you can extract contacts and their emails. Okay, rather than doing one by one. So LinkedIn will save all profiles automatically and pretty much extract their emails. Okay. And you could also automate visits and connection requests using LinkedIn. You could visit only each profile, connect only with each profile with a message, visit plus auto connect. There's a lot of capabilities that you can do here. Okay. You could also, get emails from a website. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Shortcuts. Yeah, you could maybe you don't want to copy if you want to prospect, you don't want to copy and paste. You can create shortcuts that you can use here, which is awesome. Let's see what else we have here. We have the data extractor. We already said this. You get emails from websites. These are the lists that you basically create. You can create a list by importing contacts. You can create a list by extracting from the data enrichment section of the software. And then you also have a CRM. So this CRM, if you don't want to use like your own CRM, you have a CRM here. You can see here, mine's going to take quite a long time to load because I have 57,744 contacts. You have campaigns. You can track your campaigns here. And by campaign, I mean it's an email campaign. So for example, if you want to send a sequence or just one email to a list, let's say I'm just sending one email, you can call the campaign, you can arrange an SMTP sender to use. You then find the contacts that you want to do, delay between an email and another. When do you want to start? If you want to track opens, clicks, there's so much capability here. Time zone, limit of emails per day. If you're going to send a sequence, if you have a template, there's a lot of stuff that you can do. All the replies that you get, if someone replies to you, you'll get them listed here, and it tells you which campaign and which date. You can create SMTPs here, so you just put your details. If you're using Gmail, you can pre-fill these numbers that normally no one ever remembers. If you have Hotmail, you could do that as well. It gives you the instructions of how to set it up, so it's dead simple. Okay, it's really simple. You can create templates here, your cold email templates. If someone tells you, no, I'm not interested, please remove me from your list, unsubscribe me, you can just put them here, just add their domain or their email, and they are unsubscribed, so that's really good. You can see your sending calendar, so if you run multiple campaigns like we do, you'll see, okay, there's 200 emails being sent here and a couple of emails being sent here, follow-ups. It's amazing what you can do with this capability. What else do we have? You can also warm up your emails. You might know that when you have new emails, you need to warm them up because they're instantly like flagged as suspicious. So in order to avoid the spam filters, what you do here, you go on the Swarm Up Center. You just click this on, just like so. Hang on, I'm just being a bit stuck here. Let me refresh. So basically, if you want to warm up your email, what you do is you switch this on. Okay, that's perfect. You wanna, and basically your email sends emails to all these bogus emails that just talk to each other. Okay, and whatever you get emails and spam get moved into the inbox. So this it just improves your reputation. In fact, it also explains to you how it works here. Okay, what else do we got? So that we spoke about. You can also see, so we actually give you the opportunity to download a massive data extract that we put here every day. So you have like hundreds of thousands of domains, thousands of emails, thousands of cell phones on a daily basis. Okay, so we've we've generated 23 million, a little bit of 23 million, a little bit more than 23 million potential leads. It's insane. Okay, you can create chatbots. You can pretty much tell what the chatbot to do, the colors. You want an avatar. There's a lot of capabilities. The leads collected from the chatbot. You can find emails from a CSV file. You can find a single contact email manually. Social proof, you could add a notification for them to put a review on your site. And you can also verify disposable emails. So for example, when somebody wants to put a bogus email to register to your service, this API basically prevents that, so you don't end up with a lot of crappy emails that make no sense at all. So that's a brief demo of what we can do here with our software. Just explore it. You have 7-day trial with limited capabilities, of course, but it's enough capability for you to test it out, see what you can do. You can obviously go on our support here, okay, which typically replies under 2 hours. You can chat here, ask them what you want. You can also put an attachment here. So please go ahead, and you also have the settings capability, your subscription, credit card, everything is secure here, so don't need to worry about security. Invoices, you can put more than one user. That's awesome. You can have an entire sales team for one subscription. You could also like hook this up with your CRM or what have you, help desk. We have a couple of languages, English and French, as of this demo. So yeah, I invite you to go ahead to start a new trial. All you have to do is go to this is dcp.com. If you go on our services uh, right here, go on DCP Lead Generator. You go all the way down. If you don't want to read the sales page, just click here, start register a free trial. You're not going to get this page. You're going to get a page where you put your email and password, and then you have pretty much access to it. And when you're satisfied with it and you just want to subscribe, just go on subscriptions, put your credit card details there, and yeah, it's $99 per month, which is a steal for what you get here. You get unlimited leads, you can build unlimited chatbots, you can send unlimited campaigns for just $99 per month. Okay, it's a steal, guys. All right, if you have any questions, please ask the customer support. If you want more information, if you think you know whether you're qualified to use the software or not, you can easily book an appointment with me on my site. And if you don't want to mess around and do all this stuff on your own, we also offer a done for you service. But that's something that you need to go on my site and just book a call with me. You can go on the homepage and just book a strategy session right here. Right here. Just book a strategy session. Just pick a time, pick a date, and yeah, I look forward to speaking with you. Bye for now, and good luck.